Hey guys, Spinning One here, Song Fanboy. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. Oh yeah, we have Junior playing with us. Yeah, it's the Hedgehog Happy Meal toys from Subway.
Well, not Happy Meal toys, but like toys from Subway.
Yeah, we're going to open this bad boy up and see what they are. I hope it'd be cool if they come with a little Sonic figurine in there.
Yeah.
Ooh, I like this.
Wait, look at the back.
I like this already.
There's a cool picture of Shadow.
Yeah. I'm going to try to flop this open. Oh yeah, we're watching TV.
Clarence.
I can barely understand. Wow, this is better than the last one I got.
He can't understand this, but he's still good at it. Well, he's still good at it.
It's better than the old one I had.
Yeah.
The last one I had sucked.
Yeah, it just moved around.
Yeah, it just spin. I got Sonic again actually, but in a different form. Oh yeah, we gotta do something real quick. I'm gonna try to assemble it.
This is cool right here. So you see Sonic here? He runs that way and he's right there. It's cool. This side does the same. Oh yeah, we're watching the flag. That's a perfect shot right there.
The perfect plan.
Yeah, the perfect plan to steal the fairy thing. We're not going to spoil it if you guys never saw it. But all we're going to say is they get the flag. Ooh. And if you're asking for which team, I'm going to say no team because I'm not telling you. Alright, so here.
Oh my gosh, we're just unboxing this.
Alright, so I'll do the instructions. Alright, so.
Now let's see if I can catch this on camera. Now Sonic runs when you do that.
I already showed him.
Yep, I actually like the detail on that.
Me too.
No, cover that. No, we don't want copywriting. Nope.
Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up.
No, no. No, we don't want that. That happened in one of my last videos, so we're...
It's Dirty Dan, don't, no.
I'd say I'm Dirty Dan.
No. Alright, so I need to follow these instructions. Alright, let me see the little toy thing.
Let me look at the back. Let's look at the bad guys. Wow, nice detail.
Details for no color.
Sonic, I thought those eyes were going to be blue, but hey, Sonic the Hedgehog. It says 3+. You're 9, I'm 12.
You don't say that. Oh look, answer key. It says right here. Answer key. Shadow says, "Don't stop," and Sonic says, "I'm out of here."
Don't stop, believe.
No copyright.
Yep. Yeah, I actually like the detail of this. Even though it's just the same picture from the Sonic the Hedgehog bag, which I still have.
How fast this thing goes. It's cool. It's like a new fidget spinner. But those things suck. No.
Yeah, they're
old-fashioned. No one likes them.
Yeah, who wants a fidget spinner?
What are fidget spinners?
Yeah, who are those things? What are those red dudes? Who that spinny dudes?
Don't say that. Don't say that.
Say a Black Yoshi impression.
No. I forgot.
Mario, please.
Stop.
Okay, we'll stop.
Super Mario Logan's gonna hate you.
I'm sorry about that.
Probably watches your videos. I'm just kidding. Alright, let me see. That. So this purple thing. What purple thing am I even talking about?
I don't know what this is.
Neither do I.
I thought they were crap because the last one I couldn't assemble. Hey Shadow, look at these new the Sonic the Hedgehog toys from Subway.
They suck.
What do you mean they're good?
No, they suck.
They come with me and them, only me.
I don't care, they suck.
Well, then
If they come,
it has
with-
you
if they
on
come-
the back.
I don't care. Only if it comes with me, I'll say they don't suck.
They don't come with you.
Oh, they suck.
They only come with me and them.
Oh yeah, they definitely suck now.
That was not
They
necessary.
suck. Dude, poof.
These toys are awesome.
No, they don't. They suck.
They're awesome.
In my opinion, they suck.
Guys,
My actor says they're great, but they suck. Hey, you can't hit me. You know why? You're fake. You're freaking a backpack.
no, I'm good.
Your mom said you were a backpack. You can't be on the instructions. I'm trying to assemble it.
I wonder. So let me. Cool, it comes with me. I look pretty cool in this.
Not really.
That is good technology right there. Good
Well,
technology.
You don't look great, but you look fine.
We are not referencing that nothing's working. I have an embroidered eye.
Nothing's working.
We're not caveman!
Technology. It didn't work.
Wait, how did I not get a copyright issue on nothing's working in that video?
I don't know. People are smart these days.
Or should I just keep doing the dirty damn with my voice in it?
No.
So how come it does it with nothing's working?
Because
Why? Why?
I'm not an idiot.
Because of
Don't stop. Hey, don't do that.
the watermelon. That does not exist, guys.
No, you did not see that. That is not there.
Yeah, you did not see
You
that.
did not see that.
I even showed your face for the entire half of the vlog, or maybe this unboxing.
I don't care.
Hey, believe it.
The song sucks.
Say I'm Dirty Dan.
Okay, this is impossible to even put together yet. Give me the instructions. Don't do that. Alright, so these both have a length. Wait, which toy do we have? Toy 3. Alright, you have toy 3. Don't stop.
So 3 plus is actually toy 3.
Wait, let me show. Right now.
Last time I got toy 2.
It says right 3. Here, it says 3.
Last time I got toy 4.
You still have it?
No,
Oh, what happened to it?
I gave it away.
To who?
None of your business.
Tell me.
I lost it, okay? I lost
Lost it where?
in the washer room. Hey, yeah, my jokes can get lame.
They are lame.
Hey, that was not necessary.
That song sucks.
Oh.
Look, it's Nanya.
None of what?
None of your business.
Unless you're gonna make me a white panda, then don't talk to me.
Stop ripping him off.
Okay, I'm going to just put this bag on my face.
So it says here that this is toxic and I hate it.
What?
It's impossible to even make this stupid thing.
Get it out of here.
No.
This is not toxic kids, it's just a Happy Meal toy.
You mean a Subway toy?
They're good.
Boo-hoo.
I thought they were going to be like little figurines of the characters.
This thing is stupid.
Yeah, instead they make these
can't-
monstrosities.
They make these monstrosities.
Subway, you need to make yours better. You need to make your toys better.
I don't make toys.
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to Subway.
Subway, these instructions are freaking impossible. Look at this. This is not accurate. See?
Yeah, we can't understand this toy.
Like,
It's just the toy I got last time.
It's like this. If you put it like this, it's completely separated. Ha ha ha.
Oh wait, it shows it on this side of the thing.
What?
No, well, you're just being mean to Subway. You did not hear that. If you did, we're going to look for the witnesses. No, get that out of there.
You did not hear the silent noise of this thing.
Sonic, he can leap and move.
You know you're ripping off that song too.
You wanna know the best Sonic game of all times?
Sonic Unleashed. He has it.
No.
I said
Sonic
I
Unleashed,
said
family version.
Sonic Unleashed.
The family version.
I don't care if it's different or not. Sonic.
This thing is 10 times better than that. This game is better than this that Happy Meal toy or whatever that thing is.
Subway toy? Why do you keep on calling it a Happy Meal toy?
Boom, smoke bomb. Is this enough for you? Is this enough for
I'm
you?
trying to read. Oh, sorry.
Oh, so I'll tell you.
I can tell why reading's boring to you. 'Cause you can't read.
No, is this enough for why I think it's Happy Meal?
That's not even from the Happy Meal. That's something from Louis itself. No. You did not see that. That's a crab. That's a crab.
Craboo.
Craboo. From We Bear Bears.
Yes. Get out of my kitchen or I'm gonna touch this.
This thing's dumb.
Yeah, screw the toy.
This unboxing. No.
This unboxing sucks.
It sucks.
Yeah.
Screw it. I'm not using this.
Yeah,
This unboxing sucks.
Yeah, don't watch. You know what? Watch this.
Never buy this stuff or get this stuff from Subway.
Yeah.
It's impossible.
Yeah, it's
impossible to even find
yeah,
out how the
it's so.